back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY stickers. If you're new to my channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. The things that you will need to make DIY stickers are what you want to be made into stickers. I printed out these little things and they're super cute, and I will link them in the description box down below. You will need some packing tape, scissors, and some parchment paper. Going to start with the scissors and this piece of paper, or whatever piece of paper you've printed out, or you actually can draw them. I have drawn them in the past and they turned out super cute. And to show you, I drew it right here, and I drew leaving a little bit of space, and that's where I'm going to cut out, just right along that line, so that I have a little bit of space. And yeah, so I'm going to cut out the little pieces of paper, and I will be back to you once I have finished. So just in case you didn't know really what, I don't know if I explained it in the right way, I'm just going to show you by cutting out this one. And you are going to just leave a little bit of space. It's kind of hard to do it because there's so many curves. And I messed up on this one, but that's okay because it is still going to look really nice. And so, like I said, you are just going to cut along the line. Well, not quite on the line. You're going to leave a little bit of space like that. So I will be back to you once I have finished. So I just finished cutting out all of them, and they are super cute. And I didn't really go just perfectly around the lines because I wanted to finish cutting them out so I could film the rest of my video. So now it is time for step number 2. So for step number 2, I just cut out a piece of parchment paper. It's pretty big. I'm not really sure if you can see it or not. But for the second step, I'm going to pull the packing tape out. And once you pull it out, it's pretty shiny. I'm going to take some of the stickers I cut out, and I'm just going to place them on top of the tape like that. So I just finished putting them on the tape and then putting them on the parchment paper, and as you can see, they're the little tapes, and I'm going to cut out each individual one and have a little piece of the parchment paper. So like with this one, you'll cut all the way, and then you can see where the tape and the parchment paper ends and begins, and you want a little bit of that parchment paper in so that you can pull off the parchment paper so that it can be a sticker. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense, but I'm just going to show you real fast. So what I'm going to do is take the scissors, and I'm just going to cut around it. And you want a decent amount of tape, because that's the part that sticks. And then you want some parchment paper so that you can peel it and make a sticker. But I'm going to put it back on because I'm not ready to use the sticker. So I'm just going to do that with all the stickers, and I will be back to you once I've finished. So I just finished cutting them out, and it's actually the next day, and I finished cutting them out, and these stickers, I'm going to show you how well they stick, because these stickers, I have made some in the past, these stickers stick so well if you have enough tape around them. So I don't really do a very good job of cutting them. I just kind of fast cut them because you can't really see the tape and how well it's cut around them, around the stickers. So it doesn't really matter if it's cut good or bad. So I am just going to take the tape, my thing off of the back, and this is the banana sticker, and I just place it on, and you can see you can kind of see where it is with the light shining on it, but you can't get it off. Like, once it's there, it's there. So these stickers work really well, but I have learned the hard way, if you don't give it enough tape around it, they won't stick as well because it's not enough tape. But yeah, these stickers are great for decorating lots of things. I have decorated a folder with them, and I am going to decorate, I'm kind of going to decorate a folder in just one moment, but these are great for decorating folders, for notebooks, so many different things. So I'm going to now decorate a folder. So I have this folder here, and I have decorated a navy blue folder, and these looked really good on it because of the navy blue folder was dark, and these were light, so it really popped and made lots of color, and it was super pretty. And what I did is I put the stickers along the side of the folder, and it wasn't enough with just these, so I did have to make other ones. But that is your choice, and especially, like, it's your choice if you want to make more or less. It just depends on what you're decorating. So I am just going to put maybe one, like, right there. And you can kind of see, I'm not really sure if you can see it, but there's kind of a white outline. So what you do about it is you just kind of scratch it. And I don't really know if you can tell the difference. I'll make it closer. But it does make a big difference in real life. I'm not really sure if you can see it on camera. And you just do that with the whole thing and with all the stickers. And sometimes you don't have to do it with the stickers. Sometimes the stickers don't make that white outline. But I'm going to fast forward decorating the rest of the folder. So I only decorated a small piece of this folder because I didn't really want to use all my stickers and decorate the whole thing, because I didn't really know what to decorate to show you guys. So I just found this folder and decided to do that. So yeah. So this is now the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.